Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanvi Agarwal, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe and also like this video. And before that, I would like to tell you that what is this video about. So I'm gonna review this Boom Boom Jet Set which I bought online from Nykaa. And if you also want to buy this kit, then I will just link this down in the description, and you can also buy it from there. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna tell and review about all these three products, if I like them or not. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that what are the products inside this kit. So these are the three products in this kit. This is the Brazilian body wash, this is the mist, and this is the Boom Boom cream. So this is the first product. This is the Brazilian body wash. If you can see it clearly, this is the Brazilian body wash. Okay, so it is really moisturizing and hydrates and softens your skin. Okay, you will get 90 ml in this kit of this body wash, and it's really hydrating and I really like it also. I have used it one time and it smells really good. It smoothens your skin, and if I have to review this out of 10, I will review it 10 on 10. Like, I just really liked it. I mean, from smell to hydration to everything is just perfect. Okay, so this was the first product in this kit. Now this is the mist, the Cheriosa 62. So this is the Cheriosa 62 mist, and it smells so good. I mean, so the top note is pistachio and almond. The mid note is heliotrope and jasmine petals, and the dry note, like after the mist gets dry, then you will smell vanilla and salted caramel and also sandalwood, and this is really good mist. You will get 30 ml of mist in this kit. So the last product is this Brazilian Boom Boom cream, which I really like. I mean, this just moisturizes my skin very well. And okay, let me show you from inside. You will see it is thick consistency. It's really good. And the Boom Boom cream you will get for like 50 ml. So overall, if I have to review this kit, then I will give it a 9 on 10, because I know that mist is good, the body wash is good, the Boom Boom cream is good, but still somewhere I feel that it can be more better. But overall, it's really good. And also, as you know that I brought it online from Nykaa, I also got 2 minis free. These 2 Boom Boom creams which I got for free, and yeah, these are 25 ml each. So yeah, these were the 3 products which I got in this kit, which I really like. So yeah, that's it. So these were the 5 products which I got, and I really like them. You can also order them online. I will link down it in the description box, and you can check it from there and buy it for yourself. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video a little also, then please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends or family, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I really need subscribers. I don't know how many times I have said really in this video but yeah, okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. So or and also you can comment down that which product I should review next. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.